The VTech 4-line small business system comes with three main components: the CM18445 Main Console, the CM18245 Cordless Extension Deskset, and CM18045 Cordless Extension Handset. The system is also compatible with other cordless accessories, including the VTech IS6100 cordless headset and AT&T TL80133 cordless speakerphone. This video will walk you through installing the three main components. The CM18445 Main Console is the main component of the 4-line small business system. All other system components will not work without it. You can expand the system by adding a combination of up to 9 VTech CM18245 cordless Deskets, CM18045 cordless handsets, IS6100 cordless headsets, and AT&T TL80133 cordless speakerphones. Since the cordless devices communicate with the console over wireless DECT technology, there is no need to plug telephone lines into the cordless devices. You can also use the CM18445 console as a telephone, with a single user monitoring up to 4 telephone lines provided by your telephone service provider. Installing the CM18445 Main Console. If you want to use the console during a power failure, you can install 4 separately purchased AA alkaline batteries in it. Remove the battery compartment from the back cover of the console and insert 4 AA alkaline batteries, following the polarity markings in the battery compartment. When you finish, replace the battery compartment cover. Next, install the mounting bracket on the back of the console. There are 2 locations for the mounting bracket. Choose the one that provides the best visibility. Insert the fixed tabs on the mounting bracket into the desired slots, and then press the flexible tabs into the other slots until they click into place. Plug one end of the coiled handset cord into the handset jack on the side of the console. Connect the telephone lines. Open the line jack cover and plug one end of the telephone line into the telephone line jack at the back of the console. Plug the other end into the telephone wall outlet. Repeat this until all the telephone lines are connected. If you have 2 two-line wall outlets, plug one telephone line cord into the L1, L2 jack and the other into the L3, L4 jack. The spare L2 and L4 jacks can then be connected to non-system telephones, sharing those particular telephone lines. Do not connect a 5th or 6th telephone line to the L2 and L4 jacks. They are not intended for this purpose. If you subscribe to DSL service, you will need to connect a DSL filter between the telephone line cord and the wall jack of that DSL line. Insert the smaller end of the power adapter into the power jack at the back of the console. Then, connect the larger end of the power adapter to a power outlet that is not controlled by a wall switch. It takes about a minute for the console to start up and enter idle mode. When the console is in idle mode, press each of the available line keys to check for a dial tone. If you hear a dial tone when you find each telephone line, the installation was successful. You can now make and receive calls on the console. Installing the CM18245 cordless Deskset. The CM18245 extension Deskset is not a standalone telephone and does not work without the CM18445 Main Console. It must be registered to a console to operate. If you do not have a CM18445 Main Console, you may purchase one at VTechPhones.com. Install the rechargeable backup battery by plugging the battery connector securely into the socket inside the battery compartment. When you finish, snap in the battery compartment cover that was packed with the backup battery. Next, install the mounting bracket to the back of the Deskset. There are 2 locations for the mounting bracket. Choose the one that provides the best visibility. Plug one end of the coiled handset cord into the handset jack on the side of the Deskset. Plug the smaller end of the power adapter into the power jack at the back of the Deskset. Then, plug the larger end into a power outlet. Make sure the outlet is not controlled by a wall switch. You have to register the CM18445 cordless Deskset to the CM18445 Main Console before use. To get started, press Menu Select on the CM18445 console. Select Registration and then Register Extension, or EXT. The console shows Registering. Next, press pound on the CM18245 Deskset. The Deskset screen will display Registering. Registration may take up to 60 seconds to complete. When registration is complete, both the CM18445 console and CM18245 Deskset will show Deskset X registered. In this example, X is the extension number of your Deskset, which is unique across each system and cannot be changed. While the Deskset is in idle mode, lift the corded handset. If you hear a dial tone, the registration was successful. Repeat the same steps if you want to add another CM18245 Deskset to your telephone system. Installing the CM18045 cordless handset. The CM18045 accessory cordless handset is not a standalone telephone and does not work without the CM18445 Main Console. It must be registered to a console to operate. If you do not have a CM18445 Main Console, you may purchase one at VTechPhones.com. Plug the smaller end of the power adapter into the handset charger. Then, plug the larger end into a power outlet. Make sure the outlet is not controlled by a wall switch. Install the battery by plugging the battery connector securely into the socket inside the handset battery compartment. Align the compartment cover and slide it upwards until it clicks into place. Place the handset into the charger to charge. You have to register the CM18045 cordless handset to the CM18445 Main Console before use. To get started, press Menu Select on the CM18445 console. Select Registration and then Register Extension, or EXT. The console shows Registering. Next, press pound on the CM18045 handset. The handset screen will display Registering. Registration may take up to 60 seconds to complete. When registration is complete, both the CM18445 console and CM18045 handset will show Handset X registered. While the handset is in idle mode, press a line key, line 1 through line 4, that has a telephone line connection. If you hear a dial tone, the registration was successful. Repeat the same steps if you want to add another CM18045 handset to your telephone system. This concludes the installation process for the CM18445 console, CM18245 cordless Deskset, and CM18045 cordless handset. If you want to add other cordless accessories to the system, please refer to another video available on our website. Advanced settings. The following sections in this video will walk you through using the advanced settings in the 4-line small business system, including line mode and music on hold. Line mode is the feature on the console that sets how the answering system responds to incoming calls on each telephone line. You can choose General Mailbox for callers to leave messages on the console's general mailbox, Auto Attendant for directing incoming calls to different extensions, Announce Only for informing callers that no one is available to answer the call, or No Answer for turning off both the general mailbox and Auto Attendant. To select the line mode, press Menu Select when the console is in idle. Select Line Mode, then choose the desired line or all lines. Next, select the desired line mode. If you selected General Mailbox, Auto Attendant, or Announce Only, the console displays an indicator above the line key where the corresponding line mode is being activated. Music on hold is a feature on the console that allows you to choose what callers hear when being placed on hold. You can record audio or music from an audio source, such as a computer, mobile phone, or MP3 player, with a 3.5mm audio jack by using the audio cable provided. The recording can be up to 3 minutes long and plays repeatedly while a call is on hold. When the console is idle, press Menu Select. Select Music on Hold, then Record MOH. Plug one end of the audio cable into the Music on Hold jack on the console, and plug the other end of the audio cable into the audio output jack on your audio device. When your audio device is ready to play, press Menu Select on the console. You hear the voice prompt, Record after the tone. Press Menu Select when you are done. Start playing the music on your audio device after the tone. Press Menu Select to stop recording. You hear the playback of the recording. Choose OK to save the recording, or choose Change to record again if desired. To select the recorded music for the Music on Hold feature, select MOH Source in the Music on Hold menu. Then choose Recorded MOH. This concludes the advanced settings of the 4-line small business system.